Samsung said they will make the camera on the Galaxy S24 better with a software update. They released this update in South Korea last Friday. Now it seems like the update will come to Galaxy S24 phones in North America this week. As per Canadian carrier Fido's software support page, the Galaxy S24 is set to receive the February 2024 update on February 23. If this detail is correct, people using Galaxy S24 in Canada can expect better camera performance by the end of this week. Additionally, this update will come with the February 2024 security patch, addressing 72 security issues discovered in the previous software version. The upcoming update for the Galaxy S24 series aims to address about 10 camera-related issues. These changes include optimizing brightness and exposure when capturing scenes with bright backlight in high-resolution mode. Samsung has also stated improvements in text clarity and sharpness when using long zoom ranges on the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Additionally, there are enhancements in the clarity and quality of videos captured by the rear-facing cameras on the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Samsung mentioned that it has improved exposure in dark indoor scenes when using the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Furthermore, there are improvements in the clarity and sharpness of human subjects when using the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Colors and white balance have been enhanced in low-light conditions when using night mode. Samsung also claims to have improved capturing fast-moving subjects in scenes with backlight, but this improvement applies only to the Galaxy S24 Ultra's rear-facing cameras. Additionally, colors and exposure of subjects and images have been improved with a new update. Users can also expect smoother zooming in on raw images captured in the DNG format. Samsung stated in its official post that it will gather more feedback from Galaxy S24 users and testers to incorporate additional camera fixes in future software updates. Here's the list of all the camera updates. 1. Image quality has been improved by adjusting the brightness when shooting backlit in high-pixel mode. 2. The clarity of text has been improved when using high magnification zoom. Galaxy S24 Ultra only. 3. Clarity and picture quality have been improved when recording rear video. Galaxy S24 Ultra only. 4. In the photo mode preview, the brightness of dark areas in indoor environments has been increased and the sharpness of people has been smoothly improved. Galaxy S24 Ultra only. 5. Expression has been improved by additionally applying color data in food mode. 6. Colors have been improved by adjusting saturation and white balance in night mode. 7. Image quality has been improved when zooming in on the gallery after shooting a new format DNG in the Expert RAW app. 8. The expression of fast-moving subjects in backlight conditions in rear photo mode has been improved. Galaxy S24 Ultra only. 9. The exposure and color expression of subjects, people, flowers, etc. have been improved in photo mode. Galaxy S24 Ultra only. The S24 Ultra phone has a problem with blurry images as shown in the photo. The update's changelog, translated from Korean, mentions improvements in capturing fast-moving subjects in backlight conditions for rear photos. This update aims to fix the issue, although it's strange that it focuses on specific lighting conditions when the problem occurs regardless of lighting. Still, any improvement is good news. These updates are exactly what we needed for the S24 Ultra cameras. We now have a first set of pictures with the courtesy of Ice Universe. Before the update, Galaxy S24 Plus also has the washed out colors issue, but now with the update, there are 3 new settings to choose from. Let's look at the comparison of the 3 levels. 1. The first option is how the Galaxy S24 looked before, dull and washed out. 2. The second option is similar to how the Galaxy S23 Ultra looked. 3. The third option has more vibrant colors, with saturated yellows and an overall lively look. One thing to note is that there is a slight difference between the photos, but it's not huge. It could be because the photos were uploaded to Twitter, which might have affected the way they appear. When some people started saying there was no difference in the photos, a Twitter user pointed out, "For those who can't see the difference, it's mainly noticeable in the yellows. Take a look here, even the hexadecimal codes for yellows differ in the same spot. If you still don't see any difference, it's pretty clear you're overlooking something." So after the update, you can choose between these settings to make your display look less dull and more vibrant. International market is waiting for the update. According to Samsung's information shared with 9to5 Google, the rollout will begin on February 22. Since updates like this happen in stages, it's possible that Galaxy S24 owners in certain places might have to wait until the end of February or even early March for the update to reach them. Let's review some of the issues reported by users of the Galaxy S24 Ultra on Samsung forums. 1. Continuous text translate issue. Some users are experiencing an ongoing problem with the text translate feature. Despite attempting to close it multiple times, it persists, causing frustration. 2. Object removal flaw. Users have noticed a flaw with the object removal feature. After circling an object, the dotted lines disappear and sometimes reappear elsewhere on the image. This results in the editor removing unintended objects. 3. Fast battery drainage. Certain users have reported rapid battery drainage on their Galaxy S24 Ultra devices, which is causing concern. 4. Scrolling lag. Many users have observed significant scrolling lag while navigating through various apps and websites. This includes lag within Google Discover, Newsfeed, and during multitasking. 5. Unstable GPS location. Users have encountered issues with the GPS functionality, noting erratic location jumps in Google Maps and poor satellite acquisition. This poses challenges for activities such as travel and geotagging photos. 6. Keyboard cursor disappearance. Some users have experienced the cursor disappearing while typing on the Samsung keyboard, particularly when using backspace or correcting grammar. 7. Screen lines issue. Certain users have reported faint horizontal lines appearing on the screen under specific conditions, particularly after locking and unlocking the phone following a reboot. Camera vibrating issue. A user has reported that when opening the camera app and switching to video mode, the camera starts vibrating. This issue was noticed recently on a relatively new Galaxy S24 Ultra, prompting the user to seek a replacement. Charging inconsistencies. Another user is experiencing charging problems with their Galaxy S24 Ultra. Upon plugging in the fast charger, it initially shows only regular charging. However, after unplugging and immediately replugging, it switches to fast charging. Additionally, the phone sometimes displays wireless charging even when not connected to a wireless charger. A restart temporarily resolves the issue, but the user is concerned about its recurrence. Slow charging. A user has received their Galaxy S24 Ultra and encountered slow charging despite using the same charger and cable as their previous device, the S23 Ultra. While both devices indicate super fast charging, the S24 Ultra's charging speed is significantly slower. This issue has been noted by several users on Reddit, raising concerns about the functionality of super-fast charging on the S24 Ultra. Many users are reporting Android Auto connection issues along with Bluetooth bugs that seem to persist from previous Samsung phones. Bluetooth audio frequently disconnects from Galaxy Buds Pro and Buds Live, and reconnecting to the Galaxy Watch takes over 10 minutes. Additionally, there's a bug causing overall sound to be quieter than on the older Galaxy S23 with an inconsistent equalizer. Some comments on the forum discussing these issues are allegedly being deleted by Samsung. Users hope for prompt acknowledgement and fixes to these problems. Which issue, bug, or problem you are facing with your new Galaxy S24 Ultra? Let me know in the comment section. That's it for today. What's your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comment section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.